Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14. Join us in studio today to talk about Second Tuesday in the Park. Julie Crow and Cindy Evans from the Carl Junction Chamber of Commerce. Thank you so much for coming in this morning. And, we've been featuring Second Tuesday in the Park for a while. We were talking about how it seems like each time this comes up, there's more people attending than the last one.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
absolutely.
There is.
What's that like for y'all to see this continue to grow, and from what I've been gathering, to grow as quickly as it is?
It's great. I love seeing everybody from the community just come out and gather together at these events, and seeing that they grow every month and every year has just been fantastic.
And tell me a little bit about the one that's coming up. I know they're fairly similar, but there's some different things that happen at each one. What's going on at this one?
Yeah, so this one, the theme is The Great Outdoors. It's sponsored by Kyle Hickam State Farm. And so a lot of new vendors are actually there. Some are bringing things that, they're selling, things they're giving away, or new games that they're going to play with the community. So it's awesome. It's going to be fun.
And of course, you've got the new splash pad out there, and I imagine that's been a big success with the heat we've been having.
It has.
Lately.
It's been a hit. It's been a hit. Every month that we've had it so far, it's been packed over there, and then they kind of filter into our event, so it's great.
And you've got, it says here, over 20 local vendors and 5 food trucks, plus live music. I mean, this is turning into a really big deal for Carl Junction.
It is.
Yeah, absolutely.
It is. There's a lot of, like I said, we have the 5 trucks and over 20 vendors. There's a lot of different types of vendors out there, which is great for people when they come out. They can, see a lot of different businesses and visit with a lot of different people. So.
And then, we were talking, it's hard to measure, how many folks from outside CJ are coming in. But, I mean, would you be willing to bet that there are some folks from outside the Carl Junction area that are coming in and discovering the community?
Yeah, we're constantly hearing it that, other people are like, we didn't even realize you had a splash pad. Because they're from, Joplin or Neosho or even Carthage and Webb City. So there's so many people that will even call, on Wednesday after we had it, and they're like, we can't wait till next month, that kind of thing. So yeah, it's a big deal.
And how does that help the community, too, with people discovering Carl Junction? Because, if you're coming up 171, you see the signs, but it's offset. You don't really see CJ from the highway.
Yeah.
And you're giving them a reason to come into town. Is that helping the local businesses grow just in general? Folks coming in and go, oh, hey, I didn't know they had that here. And they come back just to go shopping.
Yeah, I definitely think it helps put us on the map.
Yeah,
whether it's businesses or just our community in general, it definitely helps let people know that, hey, we're here. We've got a lot to offer. So, yeah.
Fantastic. So, real quick recap. When is this taking place, and what do folks need to know?
It's tomorrow, August 8th from 4 to 7 at Memorial Park in CJ. So.
All right. Sounds like fun. And like I said, I know these things keep growing, so we look forward to seeing you there. I know these ladies look forward to seeing you there, and we will have more of the KOAM Morning News right after this.